kill that one off. And Petelo
made a great platform for him, but Leonard Petelo out of dummy half, exceptional.
Yeah, he's been amazing all year for us. I think his calmness, collectedness, he's pick and chooses when he runs and when he goes. Teams better watch out.
Rolling, and Petelo says, "I'll take advantage." Petelo shakes out a one. To Maloa, who promotes it again, and now Petelo dances his way through. Doyle kicks. Ball is put down. Petelo might have. Tackles up his sleeve still. Petelo jumps. He goes short side. Kicks early. Wallace is back chasing it.
They got the ball back.
0 is the call.
Nicely led up to by Leonard Petelo.
Nice interchange of passing here, and as always, wonderful. Now things out there as well.
Out of the championships into the premiership is Petelo. Weaves some magic again, Leonard. Oh, he's a class.
Petelo, quick play the ball. Look out, Petelo! He's over! They're just tired, Mount Albert. Petelo, he's been just about their best on ground. He jumps out, there's no one home. And then at the end, Brave fights his way over. Looked like a try straight away. Mount Albert will claim another one.